room a little bit. This vanity right here is from Wayfair. And it came with a little stool. It's a white stool, really cutesy. Of course, it has little drawers in there. I gotta put some makeup in there, so I'm gonna do that later. But because I have to like get some storage organizers. If y'all know good ones, put it in the comments. But I'll probably just do Amazon. But this is from Wayfair. I'm gonna link it down below, the exact one. It comes in like different lightings. I think they have 3 settings. I have like my 2 pictures right here. So I'm gonna try to like do content and everything right here. So the content is about to eat. Okay, the content's about to eat. This is my dresser. The dresser is from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. These pieces are from different places. No, this is from Amazon for sure. The hand is from Amazon. The pictures over, well, this jewelry thing is definitely from a home goods store. And then over here, this is also from that same home goods store. And this is just a candle, buttered pecan. I have a picture of me and my friends. I forgot who gave this to me. It was either Hallie or Felice, but it's so cute. But yes. And then my TV up here. If you watch on my moving vlog, my little sister, she's 11 years old. She mounted the TV for me. So go watch the movie vlog to see that whole process. Okay, over here I have my curtains. I still need to steam these, but my steamer did not come in time. Curtains are from Amazon. I have to steam them still, so they're gonna get steamed. Over here is my mirror. So if I'm getting cutesy for the day. Pampas grass. I've really been feeling the pampas grass. These are from Michaels. So I got these from Michaels on my moving vlog. I told y'all how much those was, but like these is from Michaels. This is from At Home, I believe, and then this mirror is from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. And then over here is my bed. So my bed, this is definitely from At Home because I literally just bought it. This is from Amazon. The sheets are from Amazon. The throw blanket is from At Home. The pillows are from At Home. These big ones are from a different home store, but these are At Home, At Home, At Home. These are from Amazon, the matching ones, and then this bed I believe is also from Amazon. Above me I have a picture of myself from my 21st birthday photo shoot, and we put lighting around it from Amazon. That light is from Amazon. So if you go closer, you can see like a little beam light that's like, you know, hidden in. Out of my bed, I have my 2 nightstands. Both of these nightstands were from Wayfair. Mom, are my nightstands from Wayfair? Okay, my nightstands are from Amazon. They have like the little brown at the bottom. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna actually keep in here. Probably some books, probably my Bible, but yeah. And then these are from At Home as well. On the other side, I have the same thing, so it's literally just the same thing. Above my bed, like I was talking about, are some more pictures from my 21st birthday. So those were cute. I was a little bit nervous, skeptical, because they were like black and silver, but it looked really cute. And I was gonna put other people in my room, but my mom was like, no, put your own stuff. Okay, this wallpaper is from Amazon. Y'all know I love a good wallpaper. And all my apartment tours, room tours, dorm tours, I always do wallpaper because it really changes up the walls. So this wallpaper is from Amazon. That's her like my favorite wallpaper. My carpet, I got this carpet from Target. I tried to get one from Amazon, but it was just a little too crazy. I don't know if you noticed, but it's like some LED lights over here, and I got them from Amazon. It's literally like you peel and stick it, and then they can do motion sensor, or you can just use them. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite areas. I have a lot of favorite areas, but this is like gonna be my content desk space. So I have a lot of cute like sit down, get ready with me, chit chat videos. But come a little closer. So come a little too closer. It says a lot of different things, but like the color pattern, as you can see, I was going with like gold, pink, yeah, a little bit black, green here and there, but not really. But yeah, and so we just did different patterns everywhere. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was a little bit hard to do though. It took a little bit of a minute, but like this is gonna be what you see when I'm recording, which is cute. So I like that. Over here again, it's the same Amazon wallpaper. These frames, I'm pretty sure are from, okay, the frames are from Ross. The wallpaper is from Amazon though. The same one is in my bedroom. But this is just gonna be a really cute space for when I like take videos, and also when I'm on like calls and stuff. But right here is also a plant that I have. Where did I get this plant? This plant is from Ross. So that's that in the corner. This desk is from Amazon. This chair is from HomeGoods. So it's just a brown chair. And then on top of it, I put this. This is from Ross, so it's just something to hang over the side. I'm gonna put my camera, well no, that's my laptop. And I'll probably have my tripod on here too. And then that's just a picture of me from my 21st birthday again. And then over here, I'm pretty sure this from At Home, which is just gonna be something I put my pens and everything in. But yeah, this is my desk space. I can't wait to start creating in it, and y'all gonna see so many videos over here, so get used to it. Okay, so this is the bathroom. I have my washer and dryer all connected in one. And so this is my bathroom. The colors that we kind of did in here were black, green, gold. I have these. I'm pretty sure these all came from Burlington Ross. If it's any like small decoration pieces, then they came from like HomeGoods stores. So I got this from Bath and Body Works. It's the white gardenia. It smells really good. So this is for this because it like matches with the black and white theme. I got a paper towel. I got that from my old apartment. This is the gold over here. I got that frame a long time ago. We actually put some shelving. So we did this ourselves. If you watch my moving vlog, then you'll see the whole process. But so I put some plants over here. Again, these are all fake plants. And the rest of this stuff is just from HomeGoods places. But these are black shelving. I'm pretty sure these are from Amazon. So I have them linked in my storefront down below, Amazon storefront. You can check it out. Down here, I got this garbage can. It's a little bubbly effect. And then on the other side, I have my plunger. I showed this on my moving vlog as well. I got this off of Etsy, I think. So this is what this is. And then on here, it's just gold tape. But this used to be a white frame, but it's gold now. And then down here, it's just some more stuff that's either from Target, HomeGoods, one of those places. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is from Target. And then the rest of this stuff is probably from like Burlington. Over here, I have a hamper. This is from, where is this from? This is probably from Burlington because it has that little red thing. So yeah, this is from Burlington. This is my hamper. The bathroom rug is from Amazon. Curtain, which I also got from a HomeGoods store, probably Burlington or one of those Marshalls, one of those. So this is the curtains, black and white. I might change it later, but I don't know yet. These shelving things in here, and they're just sticky, and it's just soap in here. I'll probably post some more videos of me like actually putting like real stuff in there, like my conditioners, soaps, body washes. But right now we just got that in there. But it'll be more, so follow my TikTok. So you can follow my TikTok to see what I end up actually putting in those and how I like organize the space. Everything in here, like I said, Amazon or a HomeGoods store, Burlington, Marshalls, like all the places have it. But everything that I got from Amazon will be linked down below. So this is one of my favorite areas. This is my living room. So in here, this is my couch. I got it from Wayfair. I really wanted something like cutesy fun. Y'all be seeing those TikToks where they be like, oh, I want to know black people live here. Like, you know, it's not minimalistic. I really don't like minimalistic stuff. I really don't. You can see this is the couch. It is just a cream color, so I got to be very, very careful. I have to be very, very, very cutesy on this couch because this couch is white. So this is the couch. It's from Wayfair. It's like a bubbly material, which is so cute. I wanted something that was like different. And the pillows I got are all Amazon coverings. So all the pillowcases are from Amazon. I had to buy double pillows inside of it, like the cushions, because if you only use one, it will be very flat. So it's actually 2 cushions in here, but both of them came from Amazon. This one right here came from At Home, just a little pop-up color right there. But the rest of these are from Amazon, but I just love how my couch is. Above here, I have 2 pictures. So this I got from Etsy. Watch my moving vlog to see how that worked out. These 2 lights up here are also from Amazon, like the ones in my room. And then this picture is actually me from Instagram. So I put some pictures of myself, but still like giving artsy vibes. You know, they could put me on Etsy actually or Pinterest. I'm gonna show you how these lights work. So they come with like a button, and you can literally like point at them and then point at it again, and it turns on. So yeah, this is the battery. And the batteries in there take double A. Okay, this right here is, I'm pretty sure it's from a home goods store. If it's not from a home goods store, it's from Amazon, but I'll link it in my storefront. But I'm pretty sure it's home goods. So this is another pumpkin. And then underneath here, I have my Valentino and Chanel book. Both of these books, I'm pretty sure I got a long time ago from like a career fair or something when they like came to look, and so I just got both of them. So I'll link it if I can find the actual link, but this is from Target, and it's just in a gold color, and it's like, you know, overarching, so that was really cute to me. It turns on, like only some can turn on if you wanted to, but all of them turn on as well. Okay, so this is my rug. The rug is actually from Amazon, and then the other rug, the animal print rug, is also from Amazon. So I saw a design like this on Etsy, but the rug was like $60, $70, so I was gonna create it myself. So all I did was get a pink rug from Amazon, and then I got another animal print rug on top of it and just did that myself. And then over here, if you look at these are my 2 round tables. Both of these are from Amazon. I'm pretty sure they came together because I wanted like a small, big look. And then if you zoom in closer, this is what I got from the store. This is from Bath and Body Works. Okay, I don't be in Bath and Body Works, as y'all can tell. I get my candles from wherever they is cheap. But I got me this one. It is called Champagne Toast, and I just got it because it was pink. But it also smells good too. And then right here, these are my coasters that I got from a home goods store. And over here, these were from At Home. I just needed something to go like as a centerpiece. And I think it's really cute. I might add a book or something, so I just gotta figure out what book. This stand is also from Amazon. Okay, this is my other chair. This is from Amazon. We love Amazon here, so storefront, make sure you go check it out. This is another like bubbly effect kind of chair, which I really like. It's an accent chair. So this, as you can see, it's a lot of different pinks going on, but I feel like all the pinks really like come together. So this is another picture that I printed off of Etsy. This is another light. It connects to the same remote, so like I can click it off, and those won't click off, and then I can click it on. Some more pampas grass that I got from Amazon, and then another vase that I'm not sure where I got it, but it's from some home goods store. So either Burlington, TJ Maxx. Whenever I say it's a home goods store, I'm going to talk about Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Home Goods, At Home is another one out here. So if I'm saying it's a home goods store, it's one of those stores. And they don't have a website, so I really can't say like where, but just know like pretty much all of them sell similar things. But At Home, that's a really good place. Over here, this is one of my favorite mirrors ever. I love this mirror. Texture is like a little cozy, like kind of like my it's kind of like my couch, like that little furry feel, and it's really cute, and it's like a whimsical look. The get ready with me's are gonna be fire in this mirror. This is my console for my TV. I'm pretty sure this is also from Amazon. Okay, this is either from Amazon or Wayfair, but my mom's saying Amazon, so we're gonna go with Amazon. So I added a little bit of brown, a little bit of black to tie everything together. This is my TV from Target. You can get TV from anywhere. This is from my old place, and I got this. I take this with me everywhere because I got it when I was in Paris. If you watch my last apartment tour, my college apartment, then you would have saw this. My kitchen, the theme is pretty much black and white because it just matches. So everything in here is just a bunch of kitchen appliances. I've had this since my tower dorm days. So yeah, it says grateful, thankful, blessed. I have some fake plants in here. I'm pretty sure this is just from like their home good places, like I mentioned. TJ Maxx is where I got this wood piece from to go on top of it. And then I found this cute teapot. I'm starting to drink more tea and stuff, so I got me a teapot, guys. And I got this from TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Oh, I got this from Marshalls, y'all, but it's so cute. Not it's from TJ Maxx. My mom's just making up stuff. Okay, this is from TJ Maxx. So yeah, I found this at TJ Maxx. It's so cute. And then I found these at Home. Is where we went. We went to At Home store where we got the little mats from them. Yeah, so these are from At Home. Just some black ones, you know, dry my hands off. And I got some mittens, and then the matching set to go with it is gray. And then over here, I'm trying to be more organized like the TikTok ladies. So I got me a flour and sugar thing to like put that in there. And then I got me hands, dishes, I always use it. This is me trying to be more organized, so I'm gonna put all my seasonings in here. This will all be linked on my Amazon. I already put my salt in here, but I gotta go grocery shopping, so that's why that's empty. But over here, hands and dishes. This is from Amazon, so it'll be linked on my storefront. This, I've been had this for so long, so I really don't know where that's from. This is my fake plant, my fake cactus. It got gold and stuff on it, gold cactus. The knives are from Amazon, and then the oil and vinegar, I believe, is from TJ Maxx. So I wrote oil and vinegar. I don't even use vinegar, but I'm gonna use it because I'm gonna put some vinegar in here just because I have it, but I don't even use vinegar to cook. And then I got this, which is from, I don't know where we got this from, but I don't think so. But this is from a Home Goods location. Up here I have some plates, black cups, and then these cutesy cups. So I'm gonna have these cups and everything on my Amazon storefront because that's where all these cups are. And then I also got some cute wine glasses too. These are so cute. I've never had wine glasses before, for real. Okay, and then over here is more stuff that I'm gonna like fill up. So watch my TikTok to see like my organizing videos. But this is for juice, this is for cereal, this is for like pastas and different stuff like that. And all that stuff is also from Amazon. And then in my refrigerator, it's nothing in here yet. So as you can see, this is for water. So I got this from Amazon too. So you just put a bunch of different waters in there and like you like stash it. Yeah, so you just stash the waters in there. Demonstration from Jaylee. These two are from Amazon. So again, I'll probably show like me doing a grocery haul or something to show like how I actually stash everything in there. But just to keep more stuff organized. This freezer again, y'all, I did not go grocery shopping yet. But this is my more containers, and then I need my own ice machine because I don't have one. I think these make like circle ice cubes, which is cute. Amazon, you know. And then underneath here, guys, is some more organization stuff that I got from Amazon. So this is just to keep all my pots and pans organized and cute. All these pots and pans are from Amazon as well. Like they have like that granite stain on them, which is cute to me. And then you can also like pop them off, I believe, and store them. I don't know, but we'll see how that works later on in life. And on this side, I got these little things to hold my tops so like they're not getting lost, because I've lost so many tops for cooking supplies and cooking pots and pans. This bowl is from TJ Maxx. It's supposed to be for fruits and all that stuff, but I didn't go grocery shopping yet, y'all, so it's nothing in there. And then over here, I got this clock from At Home. I got this clock from Burlington, so it's a clock. I'm pretty sure it's on time. So I just nailed that up there to just have something right there. I need to get a cookbook as well. So put in the comments your favorite cookbooks. I saw Tabitha Brown has a cookbook, but I heard it's vegan and I'm not vegan. So I don't think it's gonna work. Here's are from Wayfair, and I got this from Target. I'm just gonna be putting a bunch of like cleaning supplies in here. I'm gonna put my towels in here. As you can see, detergents, tissues, paper towels. In here, I'm just gonna keep a bunch of miscellaneous stuff just to like have more storage. This is from Burlington or TJ Maxx, one of those. This is kind of unnecessary, but it's still cute, so we got it. It's a trash bag container holder, and this is from Amazon as well, so it's just easier to, you know, just grab and go. Broom in there, step stool in there, just like the little necessities, and a mop swifter. That concludes my apartment tour. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, in the description box, I will have all the links to everything, especially my Amazon storefront. A lot of stuff I got from Amazon, so you can get the same exact things, the same exact link, and you can get the same thing as well. But make sure you use my link, of course, in my description box when you do purchase. Thank you very much. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We can have a little discussion in the comments about what was your favorite room, what you didn't like, what you would have changed, what you did like. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Mwah.